I'm ready. Hello, everyone.
Do you want us to spotlight your video?
Yes.
There we go. Is that corn?
Kimmy is recording it.
But if they record it through Zoom, that'd be cool too.
Yeah, record it. Go ahead, record it.
Because this is from a third person more.
He's been lazy.
Me?
Turn the volume up on that camera all the way up.
Welcome to the Stephen Hendy Cooking Show.
Woo!
Round of applause for the man.
Random.
Make sure your laptop volume is muted or else you're gonna get feedback.
Okay. Am I doing good?
Mr. Hendy, are you cooking for us?
I'm gonna cook for you. I was gonna have everyone come over for a barbecue. This was gonna be the year that all 165 students were gonna come over for a barbecue. I'm a little sad that we couldn't make it happen. Or not. Hey, I thought I would make Spam fried rice for everyone. How about that? If some of you unmuted, I would actually know you're listening to me.
I can't eat it, Mr. Hendy. What's the point of making it if I can't have it?
You can't have it? Anyways,
Not with you.
Emiko's on the camera. She's going to make sure you can see me cutting. I'm going to open up the Spam. Can you see me cut it? That's part of it. Huh? There it goes. 1 can of Spam.
Pure form.
Uh-huh. Cut it into about 1/2-inch slices.
You're making me hungry.
I know.
Alright.
Okay, and then what you do is you cut it then in thirds. Uh-huh. Right? Did you guys know this was happening?
No.
No.
I did.
Anyways,
Happy it is.
and then you cube it.
140 of us. How much of that Spam do we each get?
How much do you get?
Like a quarter of a cube.
What is Spam? Someone tell me.
Suspicious
Suspicious
pink alien meat.
pink alien meat.
Jake from State Farm.
Uh-huh.
Farm.
Anyways, it gets all cubed up. Almost done cubing it. Crazy. Okay, here we go.
We're gonna go get something to eat.
Three eggs.
I can't believe you're on this cooking lesson.
3 eggs. Can of corn. 8 ounces of peas. Rice cooked this morning. Put in, about a tablespoon of oil into a hot pan. Put your scrambled eggs in. They cook pretty fast. Can you see inside there? Oh, look at that. They're cooking. Just get them cooked nice. They cook really fast. You'd be surprised. Then I take it and put it into a bowl. Just keep it off to the side. Keep going. I add just a little bit more oil to the already hot wok. Take my Spam, put it in, and that's just, you want to cook this for a little bit till it gets nice and crispy. By the way, what they say?
Toss it in the air.
Toss it on. Woo! Is that what you need to see? If you take it off the heat, it stops cooking. All right. So we let that saute. Ask me a question, someone. How do I get? You want it crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. And let me tell you, the secret is not good for you. It's the fat. The fat crisps up the outside and keeps the inside nice and smooth when it goes down as you're eating it. Spam. Spam is processed ham. I think it has a little bit of everything. It has a little bit of meat, has a little bit of bone, has a little bit of tail. It might even have a little bit of the squeal of the pig. Okay, one more question. Still going. Woo! Huh? I can't read the chat. There's a fire extinguisher in the house. Oh, getting closer.
We have a squirt bottle.
Did my flame go up? No, it just takes a little bit. All right, here you go. Add the peas.
It's not out.
Add the corn. Give it a nice little mix. Add the rice. Oh, that's about 2 cups.
They want to know who won
Who won? Who won what?
the spam award.
The Spam Award. And then you got to mix it up nice and good.
Bring it to the people, Mr. Handy. If I go to your house, can I have some?
Can you have some? Is this Douglas?
Oh, that's okay. The only person that knows where your house is.
Huh?
Yoakim.
All right, keep coming.
Yeah, it's Yoakim who is asking.
Oh, Yoakim?
You didn't say no.
I didn't say no. Take a little bit of soy sauce, pour it in. Not too much. It's actually less than you think. Give it a nice mix. Looking good? Secret sauce. A little sesame oil. Not too much. Break the rice up. We use a short grain rice, but really it doesn't matter what kind of rice you want to use. Long grain, jasmine. Okay, but in our house we just have the short grain and the chopsticks to match. We have the thinner pointed chopsticks. Very good. Maybe a little bit more soy sauce just to get it going. Oh, ba-bam. How about
He
that?
did the egg first.
Oh, where's the egg? Thanks. They told me not to forget the egg. And then you mix the egg in. Whatever what?
Where's the MSG?
The MSG. I know, we should have that in there. What's that called in Japanese? We say, oh, Mrs. Hendy told me what that was.
What?
They used to eat it packages, just all the packages at a time. 1 is good, 2 is better. All right. These bowls probably are not big enough for the girls. They usually devour this stuff.
Okay, no, that's a lot.
How about that?
That's M's bowl.
How's that look, guys? Huh? You a little jealous? Here you go. One for you.
Where's mine?
Where's yours? By the way, that heat was on full blast the whole time.
Your phone's too hot.
My phone's too hot?
Yeah.
It cut out?
Yeah.
Well, I've got the video going here, so.
It says temperature needs to cool down.
We'll put it in the shade. This is 2.
It's cooling down.
This is a behind the scenes. I'm keeping it rolling. They need to know.
Okay.
I don't know what you're gonna do.
How is it?
It's good.
Hang on. Move. Move.
Oh.
That got really hot too.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.